Have you ever experienced this? She suddenly ghosts you, becomes cold out of nowhere, pulls away without explanation, and you, just staring at your phone, waiting for her name to pop up. Stop, bro. If you chase, you lose. If you react, she wins. But if you choose calm over reaction, she starts thinking, did I really have him or not? And that's where the game changes. Before we continue, type this in the comments. I choose calm, not reaction. Type it with confidence. Because this isn't just a video, this is a turning point. Today, you stop reacting and start taking control. You've been taught to chase, explain yourself, prove your worth. But let's be honest, none of that ever works. Deep down, you know it. She starts pulling away, but you give even more. You're pouring into a leaking bucket, and now that's enough. You're not here to chase anymore. You're here to take back your energy, your focus, your self-respect. Point 1, she pulls away. Now what? At first she was responsive, excited, always there. Then suddenly, everything changes. Short replies, no more questions, no more first texts, even the emojis disappear. You ask her out, she's always busy, and you feel it, something is off. This shift hurts more than words. Your instinct tells you to say something, fix something, do something. But that's exactly what makes you fall. The common mistake. You chase, double text, ask, what's wrong? Did I do something? When in reality, it was never your problem to fix. She knows what she's doing, maybe not fully consciously, but she's watching your reaction. This is modern emotional testing, subtle, passive, but with one goal, to measure your self-worth. You only have 2 choices, react or stay silent. If you react, you look weak, replaceable. If you stay calm, you confuse her. Silence isn't empty, bro. Silence is powerful. Your silence says you changed, I adapt. This isn't manipulation, this is self-control. When she pulls away and you stay calm, you say everything without saying a word. If she's meant for you, she'll come back. If not, she never was. Point 2, you're not an option. You're the standard. You're not a backup. You're not a second choice. But the moment you chase someone who is clearly pulling away, you turn yourself into an option. A man with value doesn't try to convince people to choose him. Why? Because if someone truly wants you, they don't need convincing. Listen carefully. You don't need to convince anyone to stay in your life. If she's unsure, let her be unsure. If she's not sure, let her go. Because the right person will never make you question your place in their life. Your attraction doesn't come from how hard you chase. It comes from how comfortable you are with yourself. When you stay calm, you send a powerful message. I know my worth. If you can't see it, I won't prove it to you. And trust me, that hits hard. Point 3, when she realizes it's too late. At first, she's relaxed. She thinks you'll chase, but you don't. No desperate texts, no forcing things, no trying to fix what isn't yours. And that's when she starts thinking, why isn't he chasing me? Why isn't he reacting? She realizes you're different. You're not like other guys. You're not someone who loses self-respect just to keep someone who doesn't try. And that's when she starts questioning her decision. But here's the best part. By the time she realizes, you've already moved on. You're focused on growth, your goals, your life. Now the power is in your hands. If she comes back, that's your choice. So bro, today you have 2 choices. Stay the guy who chases, seeks validation, fears losing someone, or become the man who has standards, knows his worth, doesn't waste time on people who don't value him. The choice is yours. But one thing is certain, you are not a chaser. You are calm, confident, in control. If she pulls away, that's her problem, not yours. Starting today, choose calm, not reaction. Choose yourself. If you agree, comment. I'm not a chaser. I have standards. And if this video helped you, subscribe, because here we don't just talk, we build a high-value mindset that makes you respected, desired, and never a second option. Thank you. Hope this helps.